As a network user, you will be a classical human who is going to be interacting with a laptop computer or some other device that will connect to that quantum network. However, the interface that a human uses to connect to the network has to be classical. We are classical beings and we only see classical data. So the first way that you might connect to a network is through remote access. Another third-party organization has a quantum network and they let you connect to it. So you and your friend Bob can connect to this network and do some protocols using it. However, we see that in this remote network access scenario, you have two classical computers connecting to a quantum network. Now, on the next hand, or on the other hand, we can have an actual quantum device that we connect to, and that quantum device connects to the network. In many common cases, you might purchase this device from a vendor, and this device might just come as a black box. You can't really look inside it to see what it's doing. It runs some software, it has some hardware. The vendor might tell you what's on it, but you aren't necessarily sure if that's what's going on under the hood. So this device is uncharacterized. You don't really know what it does, but when you plug into it and send it classical information, you control it and it can perform protocols with the network. So this is going to be a very common way for performing quantum networking because there's many hardware vendors out there. And when you purchase hardware from these vendors and connect to a quantum network using that hardware, you are working or operating within this black box hardware access scenario. The third way you might access a quantum network is through a white box. Now, the white box here is completely characterized. The users of the network have built this box themselves, know everything about it. They know what the software looks like. They know what the hardware looks like. They know how it operates underneath the hood and can use that device to connect to the network. Now, all of these cases would allow a user to perform protocols on a quantum network. However, those protocols might not be secure, or the requirements for security might not be the same in all these cases. And that's what we'll get into in this talk.